What's going on, you guys? No, it was not on Break! Shut up.
No.
What's going on, you guys? We're at our local church playground eating. You know? Shut up, Jacob.
I'm so glad we got these.
I know, those are the best. We got like $30 worth of food. 25. Where?
This is low-key good.
Where?
We got 4 of these.
This is the extra one.
What are the combos? What are we gonna talk about?
You know how
What's the
funny it would be
topic?
if somebody called the cops on us?
Yeah. Kids are eating
There's a car. There's a car.
Like pulling up?
Yeah.
Love that for us.
Okay, Andrew.
What? I say that too, bitch. Sorry, let me just be Jacob and start shit with everybody.
I like it.
Everybody?
Because in high school, you can get away with it. Because I'm like not. There's so much drama in high school that you really can't focus on just one.
But you're gonna get jumped.
I don't care.
My legs are really hairy.
If I get jumped, then I'll look cute. I shaved my legs today. Yeah, I'm spick and span. You want? Oh, y'all wanted a twist? Look.
You're really pale.
I know. I like that.
Hey.
Well, that one's mine.
So, Gavin.
I have nothing to talk about, so don't even ask me.
Ow!
I just got these two.
I think you did. Okay.
Charlie, can I have another sweet tart roll?
No.
I gotta get past your toe. I can still
Should we
find
play a
boss.
game? Should we play like a game?
Yeah.
Like what?
Ring around
Fuck,
the
marry,
room.
kill.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Frick, marry, frick.
Okay. We started. It's not me.
Frick, marry, kill.
I
Okay.
don't know what the fuck that is.
Are we doing like celebrities or cartoon characters or like what are we doing?
Celebrities.
Celebrities?
Okay.
Okay. Riley, you go first.
Open this.
Kim Kardashian. Jojo Siwa. And Kim Kardashian, Jojo Siwa, and God.
Oh, easy one for me. Marry God. Because I'd be like the next Lady Gaga if I did that. I mean, it's a hard one. Okay, kill Kim Kardashian because of her recent scandal about her photoshopping her butt to be smaller.
I saw
Also, the
that.
cancellation of the Kardashians. I don't fuck with her anymore. And then I'd have to say I'd have to let Jojo Siwa pound me.
Marry him for the money. Yeah.
God has money.
He's dead.
He created.
Wait,
money.
is God the Jesus
Oh my gosh,
is the dead
so
one.
you would fuck a ghost? I'd fuck a ghost.
You like
What?
fucking a feather.
Gavin, you're the biggest virgin. Just kidding. I'm a virgin.
I'm not.
Virgin
I'm the
gang.
least virgin, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not virgin anymore because I had to get $30.
Technically, you, me, and Jacob are all virgins. I'm just the least virgin.
What do you mean?
You're the most virgin. Dumb.
Oh fuck. I actually just called Alex.
Did you like listen to that?
Okay, wait. Okay, oh, the next one. Gavin, you come up with
Do
one.
they all have to be the same people? I'm fucking.
No,
just
different
pick
people.
Three
Yeah,
three
never
different
really-
celebrities.
never-
Oh yeah. Wait, I'm marrying Kim. I'm fucking JoJo. Yeah, just go to the next person.
What if JoJo sees this video?
What up, G? You gotta make a good thumbnail for it. Give me some.
Yeah.
I don't know any celebrities.
Can we talk about Alexis McLaren?
She subscribes.
Really? But I thought
She
the
watches
channel
all my
sucked.
videos.
Why?
Say hi.
I thought the channel sucked.
People can watch your videos without subscribing.
Nah, but
Yeah.
she's subscribed.
I love Alexis
It
McLaren's outfit.
says.
Okay,
I didn't
not even
realize you got
kidding.
those too.
Shut up. Not even. Emily Latricia Paytas of the group because she abuses her boyfriend. Anyways,
Can I have one, please?
Gavin,
What was I saying? Oh,
he's
yeah.
trying to talk.
Alexis McKernan. Not even, okay, I can't even lie. I secretly love her outfits. Period. Those are so fun. No, like, especially when she wears pink. Or like cute cartoon characters and shit. That's like I don't care if the outfits never match, but like certain pieces of it will be like so good. Like one day she wore fucking slippers for pajama day and they were so right. Oh my god, those fucking donut leggings.
I
They were
love those.
good. No, they were pajama pants. Pajama pants. Those were good.
You didn't even dress up.
I know. Hey, but I went out with a bang.
Back.
Sarah.
Yeah.
Okay, Gavin, 3 people.
I don't know any celebrities.
You want me to just like pull up a list of celebrities?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And you pick 3 people off of it.
Well, she obviously just gonna read them. I'm not gonna be able to look at it.
Remember when people would go down this and be like,
What are you doing?
Remember when no one knew what you were talking about? Wait, that's now.
Bella Thorne, Drake, and Justin Bieber.
Oh,
ooh.
Marry Bella.
Yeah, I like her.
I don't know what she looks like. Oh, isn't she the bitch from Twilight?
No.
Bitch.
that hurts my soul.
I've never heard of her before.
I love her. Just because she was on Disney Channel and like Shake It Up, best show ever.
Bella Thorne killed Justin. No.
He's married.
Fuck Justin.
Marry Justin. Because then I could
Kill
get...
Drake.
Drake who?
No.
Drake from fucking Drake and Josh.
Oh,
Wait, from Drake and
marry
Josh?
him. He's hot.
Hmm?
From Drake and Josh?
No.
Or,
Yeah,
oh,
like
Drake, like
Drake.
Champagne Poppy?
Yeah.
Oh, not
Um,
him. I don't like him.
No, oh my
Drake-
god. Fuck
Drake
Drake.
Bella's hot.
Fuck Drake, because you know his dick would be like gigantic and you'd literally like get your back thrown out. Which
He
I
looks
want.
like a ferret though.
Okay. You're entitled to your opinion, but your opinion is wrong. Kill Bella and then marry Justin because then Justin is like, he's too childish still, so he'd cheat on me and then I'd be able to be the victim.
Yeah.
And then I did a rich guy
Marry-
named Marcus from Venezuela.
Yeah. Okay.
Marcus is treating
Here.
me so good at these times.
Him, and her.
Black guy, white guy, and sadistic girl. Schizophrenic.
Ooh.
Fuck, Mary Kill, is that what it is?
Yes.
Yes, Gavin.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, I've never played this before.
Yeah.
It was not that big of a decision.
I don't fucking know.
It actually
Why are you
happens.
scrolling?
I don't know.
Gavin, you heard-
I've never played this before, and I don't seem to fucking know how to
Okay,
do
this is literally the simplest game, and you were just talking about how you don't understand games. This is a very simple
I
game.
understand
Gavin.
it, but
No,
it's
you don't
stupid.
understand.
Olivia and Gavin get into fistfight, not clickbait.
Donald Trump, Ryan Reynolds, and Kylie Jenner.
Marry
Okay,
Donald.
fuck Donald Trump.
No, marry Donald.
Marry,
marry Donald.
yeah, marry Donald, because he's rich as fuck.
Only if it's
No, no,
Ryan
okay.
Rasmussen.
Give me a Jacob, this is my time.
Yeah,
don't even know who half these
he
people
hasn't
are.
talked. Okay, let him go.
But I'm
Okay,
poor.
give me the people again.
Ryan Reynolds.
Oh, fuck
He's
Ryan
hot.
Reynolds, fuck Ryan Reynolds, marry Donald Trump, and then kill the other bitch, obviously.
Who's the
By
other-
other bitch?
default.
Who's the
Who's the
other
other
one?
bitch?
Kylie.
Oh,
Oh, never
she's
Kill
mind.
hot
her for
too.
sure.
Never mind, Kylie's like a billionaire now.
My mom said she looked. No, my dad and my sister said she looks like me. So
You're
Ryan.
short.
My dad said I look
Okay,
like
got me.
Kylie Jenner.
Yeah. Fuck Ryan.
Wait, let me see Ryan.
Mary.
He made me
He's
install
hot.
Toon Blast, so.
Okay, marry Ryan. Marry Ryan, kill Kylie, fuck Donald.
Why are you gonna get money out of fucking him? Yeah. Then yeah, do that one.
He'd pay me off to be
Accuse
quiet.
him of
He doesn't want
rape,
his-
and
he doesn't
then
want his marriage.
accuse him of rape, get him out of the office for rape, and then take his fucking money for raping him.
no one's gonna get him out of the office for rape.
No, then we'd have fucking Mike Pence
Yeah,
for
yeah.
president. Never mind.
I let him come inside me, and then I like go straight to the
Oh my
police
god, and they
station.
need to like pay you $1 million to like move away with his baby.
Yeah.
There's a spider on your hood, Jacob. I'm not even kidding.
Get it
It's
off.
really, really tiny.
Yeah,
Yeah,
throw it on
Gavin
Gavin.
now.
Ellen DeGeneres, Taylor Swift, and Rihanna.
Oh.
Mm,
Marry,
Ellen.
marry Ellen.
because she's rich.
Fuck
And she's gonna
Rihanna.
die
Kill
soon.
Taylor Swift.
Yeah, same. Because Ellen would be such a great wife.
And
No,
Sorry,
yeah.
husband.
fuck
Husband.
Rihanna, cause like the.
Yeah, come
No
to
one
Uber,
likes
boy.
Taylor Swift.
Anyone who likes Taylor Swift is fucking probably.
Eminem, Bruno Mars, and Will Smith.
Ooh.
Will Smith is marry Will Smith.
Yeah, same. Mary
Yeah,
Fuck.
you would treat me good.
Fuck. What are the other dudes?
Eminem and Bruno Mars.
Ooh, fuck Eminem, kill Bruno Mars, because Bruno Mars
I
is
like
like,
Bruno Mars.
yeah,
Bruno Mars isn't.
Fuck
yeah,
Bruno.
he's not that great. He's really
He's short. Yeah.
Just because I'm like 6'4".
No, you're not. Marry
Ah.
Will.
The viewers don't know.
Fuck Eminem. Okay, Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande, Kanye West, and Katy Perry.
I want some Kanye dick. He's so hot.
Really?
Yeah, me and my friend were literally talking about it the other day. He's so fine.
Marry Katy Perry, because I like her. I feel like she'd be nice.
She'd be down to earth.
Kill Ariana, marry Kanye, fuck Katy.
Wasn't there like a conspiracy
Because I
theory
want to
that
spend every day with Kanye.
Katy Perry's like
Yeah.
a clone because of her song Chained to the Rhythm?
Okay, so marry Katy.
I want this.
Fuck him. Yeah. Oh my god. What's his name? The one that killed himself?
Robin Williams.
Fuck, I knew it.
Bitch, I got it first.
I love him.
Yeah, same. He's really funny.
He's the one in the
Have you
fucking...
ever watched the movie Hook?
No.
I love that movie.
I've only seen the one where he's a grandma.
Johnny Depp,
And then the
Simon Cowell, and
Mrs.
Robin
Doubtfire.
Williams.
Marry Simon Cowell. He fucking is rich as fuck.
And he's a fucking asshole, so like,
Yeah.
down with that. Wait, right? Who did I say?
Yeah.
Johnny Depp, fuck Johnny Depp.
Yeah, Johnny Depp is really hot.
Kill the other dude by default.
Well, he's
Well, he's
already
already
dead.
dead.
So, like,
That's fine.
Charlie Sheen, Miley Cyrus, and hold on.
Kill Miley Cyrus because I don't want to fuck her or marry her. She'd just make a song about it.
No. Oh, okay. Demi Lovato,
Oh my god.
Miley Cyrus, and Charlie Sheen.
Ain't Charlie Sheen hot?
Not gonna lie, I don't know who I've heard his name. Don't know.
Marry
who it's
Charlie Sheen.
Wait, he was in
Fuck
something.
Demi Lovato and Killa. What? Fuck Miley, just for the memories. Should be interesting.
She's a freak.
She would only use her tongue.
No.
I've seen him before.
He's funny.
Isn't he in the Lil Pump video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't listen to those people.
Ooh, Selena Gomez, fucking,
Her
Hold
career's
on.
dead.
Selena Gomez, Shawn Mendes, and,
Who you pig?
ooh,
Shut up,
Jaden
Jacob.
Smith.
Ooh, he's hot.
Jaden Smith.
Yeah.
He's bisexual, so I can still get into that. Yeah, I know who he is.
Oh, he's racist.
Marry him. Riley, what if someone
You have
walks
a hole in your
under?
pussy.
I know. What?
Gavin.
You should have pushed. Jacob, if you would have pushed me, I'd have been pissed at you. I would have knocked myself out.
It would have been worth it for the content.
What should we do
You
now?
wouldn't have even seen it. Half of the fucking screen is the floor.
JWoww, Nicki Minaj, and
Fuck Nicki.
Khloe Kardashian.
Kill Chloe and whatever the other bitches marry her.
Chloe's not that cute.
Marry JWoww.
I don't know who that
Yeah.
is.
Don't know who it is for sure.
You said J-Lo, and then
JWoww.
I don't know who JWoww is.
Is
From
it that her
Jersey Shore.
name? Wait.
J-Lo is the pop star.
Whoopi Goldberg. Wait, I saw a picture of JWoww, I promise.
Isn't J-Wow the girl
I'm
from
tempted to
Jersey
just
Shore?
jump off
Isn't
of that.
JWoww a boy?
No, J-Wow's one of the girls from
She's
Jersey.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw her and I thought Whoopi Goldberg. Well, no, I saw her.
You called
Okay, no,
Whoopi.
Whoopi Goldberg. Gavin, could you sit down?
Oh, I just drank a Red Bull. I can't sit still.
Whoopi Goldberg, George
Push me off.
Lopez, and JC.
There's one below. Joke's on you.
Ew.
Oh, ah. Ah! Ah! You scared me. Hey! Echo!
Are you 5 years old?
Yes,
You know, Gavin, that tastes
it tastes like shit, but it's giving me energy.
like shit.
How long is this?
Can we take a second how I'm eating this off of my shoe?
This is 14 minutes? Damn.
Wow!
Send it to me and I'll edit it. I'll actually do a good job.
Wait, will you
On
actually?
your
Can you
high-tech
throw up
editing
pictures
software?
of the celebrities?
I'll even make the thumbnail.
Well, will you throw up pictures of the celebrities?
Yeah.
Obviously.
Good.
How do I send it to you?
How about forward?
Send it to me through your phone.
You can
and
put
then I'll
the
put it up.
pictures like right here.
No. On my shoe.
Okay, none of this matters while we're recording. We'll discuss afterwards and I'll figure it out.
Now what?
Bye! Don't actually end it on that.
Oopsies.
I crashed the boat. Riley?
doing this, and then I leaned back too fast, and I scared myself. How much money for me to just run and jump off of that?
So then you break your wrist again?
How much money? How much money? How much money?
Ooh.
$0.
He really did it.
What an Olympian.
Wow, Gavin.
Should I do it now?
Yes.
No.
I love these.
No.
Oh my god, I can't stand this. I'm cold. Can we like leave?
Yeah.
Pack up the food, boys.
It's not like you're gonna help.
Oh, I told you to pack it up.